and welcome to Manufacturing Matters. Today, we're exploring employment trends in Malaysia's petroleum, chemical, rubber, and plastic product sector. As AI and automation continue transforming industries worldwide, an important question arises. Is this sector still relevant for our career path for our future graduates? So, to answer this question, we analyzed employment data from 2018 and 2025. Before discussing the data, let's first understand the sector.
The petroleum, chemical, rubber, and plastic product sector is one of the key pillars of Malaysia's manufacturing industry. It provides essential materials for industries such as electronics, constructions, automotive manufacturing, and consumer products.
Why is this sector so important for university students like us?
This sector offers many opportunities for science and engineering careers, such as process design, and for computing students. This sector has become increasingly digital through automation system, predictive maintenance, and industrial data management.
Okay, now let's move to statistical findings. Data analyst, what did you discover?
So our analysis focused on field jobs and jobs created over 32 quarters. The average number of field jobs was 76.19 thousand, while the median was 77.32 thousand. For jobs created, the average was approximately 0.48 thousand, while the median was 0.51 thousand.
And what does that tell us?
It tells us that the sector maintains a large employment base, but new job creations occur at a moderate rate.
So, employment opportunities have remained consistent.
In fact, the low standard deviation values indicate that the employment levels have remained remarkably stable across the 32 quarters.
So, how did the sector perform across different periods?
We divided the data into 3 periods and found that this sector remained resilient despite economic disruption.
Now, let's visualize these trends.
The graph shows a gradual upward trend in the field jobs over the years. Meanwhile, jobs created fluctuated more significantly, indicating that hiring activity varies from quarter to quarter.
I see. So, what might explain these fluctuations? Hiring patterns can be affected by market demand, industrial expansion projects, global economic conditions, and technological changes.
And what does the second graph show?
Most quarters recorded jobs creation between approximately 0.455 thousands and 0.709 thousands jobs. This indicates that the sector consistently creates new employment opportunities over time.
And what about our final graph?
Most vacancies were concentrated between 4.395 thousand and 4.795 thousand. This indicates that hiring demand remained generally moderate throughout the study period.
And this brings us to our main questions. Is AI start to replacing human in our sector?
AI certainly contributes to change, but it is not the sole driver of employment trends. Broader economic conditions continue to play a major role in shaping the labor market.
So what other factors affect hiring?
Commodity prices, global demand, economic cycles, and government policies, all these influence the hiring decisions.
So, HR manager, and what does this mean for fresh graduates entering the workforce?
Means graduates should know fear of AI, but they should be prepared for it. Companies still need skilled workers, but they prefer candidates who can adapt to digital tools, understand automated system, and use data to support decision making.
So, before we conclude, let's hear one takeaway from each guest.
Graduates should strengthen both technical and digital skills to remain competitive in this changing sector.
Employment trends should be evaluated using evidence rather than assumptions of AI as a sole factor.
Our final message is simple. The chemicals, petroleum, rubber, and plastic products sector remain resilient, with the employment trend shaped by the technology, economic condition, and industry demands rather than just AI alone. So, Thank you for joining us today on Manufacturing Matters. See you again next time.